think you should. Yeah.
What's up, Jet Riders? It's your girl Justine, and I'm back with another video. What's up, guys? Today is November 3rd, Thursday, and right now I'm about to do some cleaning. As you can hear, my washing machine is going, doing some laundry, but I also need to clean. And one thing, one area that has been bothering me for a while, I mean, it's a lot of areas that bother me. Let's just face it, I'm not really organized, okay? But one thing has been bothering me, and I'm embarrassed to show y'all. But I'm going to show y'all because it is what it is. Some people's house probably worse than this. So it is what it is. I can share my flaws. Anywho, I'm getting ready to do my bathroom. I mean, I really got to clean my bathroom. So anywho, let me share y'all. Wait, let me turn this around because it got my name right there. Okay, don't judge me. Don't. Well, y'all always talk about me. I was going to say, don't talk about me, but that's something y'all never going to stop doing, okay? Anyways, let me share this with you. And I'm just going to share my experience. Like I said, I'm just trying to look over everything. Is this really embarrassing or what? Like, what the fuck? Anyways, because I know it's going to look really good afterwards, but I have to clean up my bathroom. My bathroom gets really out of control because I'm doing my hair, putting on lotion, spray, skincare, and sometimes I don't put things back where they belong. I just kind of like shoot it on my counter because I got a lot of space on my counter. And when you got a lot of space and you see something, empty space, you keep throwing something, and now it don't even look like an empty space no more. And then I need to do some clean. I need to clean my toilet, sweep my floor, and I'm doing laundry. Anywho, let me share this a little bit with y'all because maybe this will help encourage somebody to clean, or maybe you could take some cleaning tips from me. I don't know. But honey, let's get to it. Okay, this is the God honest truth. I know it looks like a hideous mess. I got tiles in the background. I got shit everywhere, okay? Even an empty water bottle. Like, what is that doing there? Anywho, so I got a lot to clean up. A lot of this is makeup, a lot of maybe body care, hair care, skin care, every damn thing. Don't judge me. Leave my sink alone. And look, you can't even tell that's a sink. Like, what the fuck? You can't even tell that's a damn sink. Like, excuse me, y'all. It is two sinks. The other one, this is mine, you know, daily. So, and there's the other one. Look, there's a faucet right there. I'm so embarrassed. Anyways, yeah, and I got like lashes every damn where, just everywhere. Like, girl, I'm trying to get my life together, okay? And then, what is this? What is all those little those soap crumbs and chips and everything? Girl, I can't throw that away. And all this over here is like my vitamins and medication I had to take. Girl, and my dirty ass brushes. And we're going to clean them babies today too. All right, guys. Anyways, if you want to stick around to see what happens, continue to watch.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright guys, I finished up the bathroom. I cannot believe how dirty it was. But anyways, I got so much stuff underneath the sinks. It don't make no sense. But what I'm going to do is order some organizers that go underneath the sink from Amazon. And when that comes, then we're going to be organizing my underneath the sink. I don't want to show y'all. It is a hot mess. And I'm not lying. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through some drawers, throw away things I'm not using, organize underneath the sink, and yeah, that's it. On top of the my sink over here is just like my everyday makeup, and I put all my skincare products and stuff underneath the sink. So we got to organize that because this is gonna really bother me. Have to always go underneath my sink for my skincare products, but I want to stay a little bit organized because it was kind of messed up in here. Anyhow, what I'm about to do next, I swept. What I'm about to do next is I need to mop. I don't know if I feel like mopping because I'm really tired already. So we'll see. If I end up mopping, I'll mop. If not, then I'm save mopping for another day. We'll see. But what I want to do is grab something to eat for now. So let's get something to eat. Okay guys, I just finished cooking and this is my meal. I just made some shrimp alfredo because it was quick to cook. And I add Parmesan cheese and hot sauce because I love hot sauce. So I'm gonna take a bite with y'all. I make this like all the time now. And my head cut off. Mmm. Mmm. The noodles could have cooked a little longer. I ain't gonna lie. Mmm. Look at the shrimp. Yeah, I could have cooked the noodles longer. Mmm. This is so good. I feel like I didn't eat all day. Sorry, I'm trying not to talk my mouth up. Oh my god. The water's so, food is so good. Cheers. You see these little water? 2 of these equal 1 of these. So cute. So, anywho, I still got a lot more to do. I'm washing. I guess I'll come back with probably something else to do. Brushes. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm still washing clothes because clothes still washing. I just finished my brushes. I cannot believe how good my bathroom looks. I swear, every time I walk in there, I'm like, is this my bathroom? So anyways, I'm washing the rugs that goes on the floor in my bathroom, and then I'm gonna put them down once they dry. But yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified of every video I upload. And if you just subscribed, welcome to the J Riders family. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.